We've had a change of clothes, so gone with the different colour scheme. I am now just about to go out and balance my carbs, mess around with my air screws, and then I'll put the rest of the fairing back on and we're ready to go. So just thought I'd come out for this little ride. Beautiful evening. I wish I could go further afield, but it's gone 7 o'clock already. Bike running sweet as a nut. Started first kick. Just want to get the that little bit there. That, just get rid of that. Beautiful evening. Right, I can't get it to go under 2 revs, so that's 2 revs. It's clean. Holy shit. What absolute joy to ride this. I see all these, not to diss you guys, but I see so many people on RDs, RDLCs, 350s and all that, and they do YouTube videos and go, oh, it's a pleasure. I'm sure it is. I've had one, they were fun, but if you've ridden one of these, different, just the smile on the face factor is doubled, if not trebled. It's just, you know, it's how fast can you get away with it? You know, what do you want to do to test yourself? I'm so happy that pickup's better now. You can't complain at that pickup. Well, weird. From the 2. Little wheelie. Massive flat spot. yeah, just around 6, it's a bit flat. Right, let's try and sort all this out. So I've pushed my idle screws in a bit to bring that up a little bit, and I've altered my air screws now to be 1 1/4. See how that feels. It might be just a coincidence as ever. Better. You can still feel it a little bit. I'll have to put it back and see if it's still there. The quarter turns, see what happens. So just about finished in the different colour. Hopefully I've readjusted my carbs and hopefully they're okay now, but that needs a test ride. But I'm liking the green and white, not bad.